Hi, I'm Paul Bonner. February is the perfect time to show your vehicle some love at Conicelli Honda Service Center. Start with a free battery inspection, and if you do need a replacement, enjoy $20 off your battery replacement, so you're ready for anything winter throws your way. Keep your Honda running strong with our oil change and tire rotation special for just $74.95. Fast, easy, and convenient. Looking to save even more? Take advantage of our winter spend and save and get up to $150 off same-day service. And for added safety and confidence, enjoy $25 off front and or rear brake service. Schedule your appointment today at conicelliservice.com or simply call 888-289-5948. Trust the experts at Conicelli Honda. A nice place to do business.